today's video is going to be about... There we go. Never going out of this lighting again. That was embarrassing. Anyways, today's video is going to be about coming to work with me today for a truck shift. I'm the team sports person, so I take care of like teams, just sports stuff. Bunch of sports merchandise that we got. Like, bats, helmets, like fancy gear. I know we get a lot of what's it called, baseball 101, the lifestyle shirts for the boys. Anyways, we get a lot of those for today, and then we're just gonna unpack them. I'm getting ready. It's 3 a.m. in the morning. I have to be there at 4, and I live literally up the road, so we got some time. But I'm also gonna be filming a bunch of things in this video, which stay tuned. I'm so excited to show you guys my New Year's resolution that I'm gonna try to stick to. But I mean it this time. I'm gonna try. But let's get ready and get this face ready for work and my outfit. Ready? Let's go! Boom! We're ready! We got color in our face, our lashes are done better, and now it's time to choose an outfit, get creatine in my system, and then get Red Bull because Dutch Bros ain't even open and the girl's not feeling Starbucks. Yes! So then, and then, yeah, let's go get an outfit on. Okay guys, so here's my outfit. Victoria's Secret sweatpants, Under Armour pink shirt, and my jacket that I got a long time ago, and I have my work backpack. It's ready to go. I got everything I need for emergencies and medication, headaches, has my t-shirt for work, and if I have to go on the floor. But to me, looks like I'm ready to rock and roll. See ya! Okay, so basically we got in my car, but I'm scared to turn it on because it's so loud. But I love my car. 3, 2, 1. Yikes. Okay, let's go to Dutch Bros before we gotta go, and then get working. Sorry, I thought I saw something, but we're gonna head out now. You'll never guess what I inquired. Oh, that pink Red Bull. So delicious. But we're going to work now. Bye-bye. Okay, so we're here. I haven't done a truck shift in a long time, but we're gonna head out and have somebody open the door for us. Yay, so exciting. Yay. Hi, I'm in the building now. So I gotta get my radio. and my headset, so let's get that on. Okay, so basically I have to clear a couple of these clear this baker rack, so I have things to put my stuff on. Usually people that close are supposed to do it, but they did. What a surprise, what a surprise. And then I'll show you guys what I have to do. So excited, very, you have no idea. But yeah, I'll show you what they look like. But I have to clear that to make it a little cleaner, clear this to make it a little cleaner, and then I'll show you the boxes outside that await me. So basically I have to do this whole palette. It's kind of a lot, it's just soccer balls, so I have to open the boxes and then I have to put it over here in this bin, and then I have to put it on the floor. But there's 3 tall pallets, and it's getting hot in here. You see my sweat? It's getting kind of hot, but I'm almost done. No, I'm not. But two pallets down, I lost the nail. Time to get my nails done again. But 2 pallets down, all this to get started on. 1 more pallet. We have an update, and I think it's going pretty well. I just have these last few boxes here, and then I'm gonna get started on putting everything out and getting these sorted out and making sure they all go to the right spot. And then our baker's rack over here is, I don't think it's too full. This is what we have for the baker's rack. And then on this side, never mind, we haven't used the baker's rack at all. But we're gonna get started. I'm gonna try to finish this and then do the soccer ball wall. And I wanna get this done before we open. Okay, so basically I'm almost done. I finished all 4 pallets. Yes! Now I'm working on putting all of these away, which is pretty much easy because it's all downhill. So let's get started so that I can go home. Okay, so basically what I'm doing now is I am locating these basketballs in a spot right here because it's all clear. But I forgot to record, but I got like all this done. I'm not almost done. I still have soccer balls to go. Yay! Okay, so I have like a lot left. I'll show you what I have. So I have this, and then there's another cart out there waiting. And I gotta put it here or up there. But I have to scan it with this where it has like all the assign. And then I gotta assign all of these ones so they have a place. And I also broke a nail. Now I have to get my nails done again. It's only right thing to do. But let me get started. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what a woman can do. Yes. All the pallets are gone. I just have to put the bats up. Okay guys, I'm off and I'm tired. I forgot to film like the rest of the ending. But girl was tired. I did a lot. My back hurts. I know I'm young, but my back hurts. Like kind of bad. So I'm gonna go home, maybe chillax on the couch and watch my movie or my show, and then I will continue to. Oh, I still lost a nail. Look. But I will see you guys back at the house. I just woke up from my nap and I've decided to clean my place for the night so I can have a good day tomorrow. Because we have another 4 a.m. shift. Day 2, baby. Day 2. But I'm going to film me doing that. Oh! What? What? No! Good morning. Hello, guys. What's happening? Okay, so that's a pile of laundry we'll get to later, but it's clean clothes. So we have endless amount of combinations of outfits to wear today. Anyways, so basically day 2 of doing truck. I got a shift on Tuesday and Wednesday of truck, and this time I will do a lot better filming and I'll do a lot better on truck. So we took a shower, we brushed our teeth, we did our skincare. Now it's time to put some makeup on and make ourselves look 10 times better. Because who doesn't want to look 10 times better? But let's get into it. Boom! Now we have makeup. Now, ooh, what did I say about looking 10 times better? Oh, I have no nails. I miss them so much.
Oh, Your Highness, I'm sure it's not that noticeable.
Much, but we're gonna get new ones. We gotta earn them first. What did I say about lighting? Stay in this lighting, and if we're gonna leave, leave. But anyways, so basically we're gonna go get, oh my god, I keep saying basically. I need to get rid of the word. But I'm gonna get dressed. Then we're probably gonna go to Starbucks. Yay! But we're gonna get ready and then show you the outfit, take off, everything. So excited. Hi guys, so I'm ready for work. Got my hair clip, my backpack, and this is my outfit. I know I like wearing sweatpants, but it's cold outside. It's cold outside. Anyway, got my keys and oh, this is my shirt under. But that's besides the point. We gotta go. No Starbucks because we was running late because I couldn't find my sweatpants. Hey, that's my problem, okay? But anyways, we're gonna go right now. Hi guys, we're in the car again for the turn on. Okay, let's go. Let's do this. Neighbors hate me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's get going. We gotta go now. Bye. We're here once again. So I have so much expectations for myself. Yay! But I'll see you guys in there. Bye. What's up, guys? Okay, so I thought it was gonna be really bad here, but all these baker jacks are cleared. So happy about that. Thank the Lord. Thank the Lord. But basically, we're gonna get started. I'll show you what I gotta start with. Take out all these thingamabobbers out there, and then yes, we'll have a good old time. But got my PDT, no Starbucks, but it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. We got this. We got this. Me and you. We got this. We got this. Here's palette number 1, palette number 2, palette number 3, and 4. Yay. Boom. 1. Second one down. 1, 2. And this is where we're at. have to locate them up here. So I'm gonna get started on that. I have a lot of boxes and I have another project that I have to get started on 9. So I want to be finished with a bunch of truck stuff by the time I have to do that project, which is baseball pants. Girl, I'm cooked. I'm tired. It's 7:06. I'm gonna get started. Hopefully this takes me an hour. Less, please. Please. Boppus keeps going off, like online orders keep dropping in, and our ladies are kind of freaking out about it, but not really, they got it. But this is home stretch. This is what I have left, is that bucket. But that's what I did so far, as well as down here. But we got this. We got this. We're almost done. Okay, so I'm done. This whole bin is done. All of my success. Yes. And then back here too. Beautiful. And I've gotten done in time. But yes, I'm done. Now I gotta go do my project that my manager wants me to do. But yes, I'm almost done, and then I get to go home. Alright guys, I'm done with work. I got off at 10:30, did a little 30 minutes overtime. I did my project, and now I'm heading home, so I will see you guys there. Bye! Hi, okay, so I'm back home. Time to change into something a little more comfortable. Hey, boom! Time to go chillax now and watch movies. Hi! Did you guys like the video? Oh, I can see myself. Anyways, I'm glad you guys liked the video. Let me know if you did. But did you like the magic trick? Who knew I could have did that? But anyways, so basically that, I need to stop saying basically. I'm so sorry. I need to do a basically count. But so I had an amazing day. I was tired, but we got through the day. And now I'm watching my movie. I love Modern Family with a passion. I don't want them to end. I wish they kept making episodes, but they didn't. But I really appreciate you guys being here with me today. It was a rough one. That's what I do when I have morning shifts like that. Maybe I'll do a closing shift. Who knows how that's gonna turn out, because I'm on the floor like all the time. I think I did really good with filming, and because I'm very nervous, because in there you would think there's not a lot of people, but there's a lot of employees just walking around trying to make conversation, and I don't know, pull out a phone and just start recording. Like, what? No, thank you. I'll record when I'm by myself and I know I'm by myself. If I'm not, that camera ain't coming out. I'm so sorry. Even in malls, grocery stores, I try to film. Boom, stopped. Because why are you looking at me? Don't mind your business. But I know what they're thinking. Like, what is she doing? What is she doing? Who knows what I'm doing? Mind your beeswax. But anyways, guys, I appreciate you guys watching. See you guys in the next one. I know I didn't share my New Year's resolution, but that's going to be a whole different video. I'm so excited to show you guys that one. Bye. Hasta la vista.